So my name is Rolf Fliegauf. I'm 37 years old and I'm the founder and executive chef for the Ecco restaurants in Switzerland. So I started 12 years ago as executive chef here at the Ecco restaurant, and then we got the second restaurant in St. Moritz and the third one now in Zurich. There are a lot of challenges because it's always like a reopening, the stuff changing, but in the end it's never getting boring because you change your places, you change the kitchen. There are always a lot of challenges, but it's always interesting in the end also. Yeah. So Ecco means, we are standing for a very, like a modern dining experience, not very traditional. The kitchen is French based, but the interpretation is very modern. We have a lot of acidity inside of the dishes, very light, a lot of textures, temperatures. That's very important for our kitchen. So I made my apprenticeship in a very easy restaurant, and then I hold a gourmet in my hands, and I was fascinated about it, and I decided, okay, any day or someday I want to be inside of this guide. So the most of the influences I got on my road trip, I call it road trip. It was a period of 8 months. I stashed a lot in a very good restaurants, very famous restaurants. It makes me ready to go my own way, and that was the biggest influence, definitely. I think doing stashes is very interesting, and of course it's very hard, but in the end you can learn a lot of things, and it's very interesting to see different styles. When we started in 2007, the vision was that we want to go with molecular cuisine. We started very molecular, a lot of crazy things in our kitchen, and that was very interesting. And after it changed a lot, so after 2 years the style changed completely and we went in a totally different way. So success for me is everything together. The guides are very important because the people looking at you if you are achieving awards, but in the end the most important is you have guests, you have clients, they are happy and they are surprised about what you're doing, and of course working with my team, working with my staff and going on and on, that's success all together. But the restaurants are running really well. I have still fun to do what I'm doing, and it's not just cooking or just a job, it's passion behind, and I don't know where I'm in 5 years, maybe still here, I think so, yeah.